Hello, welcome to Spy Money. I had some people that did not get to use the coupon for the Black Friday, so I decided to go ahead and extend it through Cyber Monday. That will be tomorrow, Monday, December the 2nd at midnight. You can still use this coupon. It gives you $200 off the first month. And so if you're on the fence about doing it, this should help you save a little bit of money, get through the Christmas holidays and so forth. But most people are making money within a few days of actually signing up. Depends on your knowledge of NinjaTrader and so forth, and as far as how quick you catch on to things. So if you go to spymoneyllc.com and your coupon code is flashing on the screen right now, what you have to do is click on Join the Ninja Suite, or just click on, at the top, you can click on the Ninja Suite up here. There's a little video that's going to play. It's going to explain what the Ninja Suite is, and what it amounts to is you get everything. There's nothing else to buy or lease. Anything I build from now on, you get it. And a big thing is some of the bots. Now there's a couple bots that we are using that are not on here. One of them is going to be called the Lender Bot. That's coming out either Monday or Tuesday, and that one, the high win rate is just ridiculous on it. It is it's doing very well when we go back and manually back test and so forth. I mean, it's incredible what it does, and it may replace the Coaster bot. The Coaster bot is phenomenal, though. I mean, it is by far one of the best bots I've ever built. But the Lender Bot is definitely has its place, and the money that it has made me manually trading it over the last 3 weeks has been incredible. So really happy with that. We also are working on Quantower. I've got all the indicators and bots and so forth made for that, so we have to build an API to make it work for like a machine ID on NinjaTrader. So have to build that. It's going to be a couple weeks on that. Don't wait, though, because once the leases are gone, that's it. So December the 15th, we're cutting the leases off. You do get all the indicators, and any more that I make, you get the add-ons with the toolbar, the drawing tools. Here's a list of frequently asked questions. I'm sure your question will be answered if you read this. Go through that, and then if not, send me a contact and let me know, and I'll answer your question. In order to get into the Ninja Suite, there's 14 items that I put together, and these are issues that have come up in the past as far as people not saying they didn't know and this and that. So what I do is I've spelled them out for you so that you know 100%, and what you have to do is, if you agree to these 14 items, you just go ahead and highlight this, and then you right click and copy. What you're going to do is come up to the Contact Us, and you're going to put your first name, last name, email, and phone number. You have to have all this information. If it's not there, you don't get in. Then you just right click and paste and put this in here. This creates a binding contract between you and I. This says that you agreed to all of these items. And the biggest one is SpyBot auto trading bots are not set it and leave it bots. I've never ever advertised that. You need to be with your bot at all times. Things happen. You get internet connections lost, your computer shuts down, NinjaTrader messes up. I mean, it's software, and you're relying on the internet to do this. So you need to make sure that you're there and not just turn it on and walk away. So if you don't have the money, you can go up here to funded accounts. And I will tell you this, I've been trading the Apex PA accounts and also evaluation accounts. And I have yet to have any problem running Apex accounts on Quantower. There's been a couple of times that, and I know what it is, and I explain it to my users. There's one thing that you can do and it will mess them up, but if you don't do that, then it's fine. And I explain it to my users, the ones that are actually switched over and started using it. And it is not an Apex issue with your NinjaTrader and so forth. The problem is the API with NinjaTrader and rhythmic and all that. With Quantower, I'm not having that problem. So your trades, if you're trading correctly, you should be fine running these Apex accounts. So I like all three of these, but I like Apex in the sense that they do have up to 20 accounts, so you can just make a couple trades across 20 accounts and have more than enough money for the day. So you can make $200 a day and have $4,000 a day across 20 accounts. Using the Quantower is fine. So that is going to be coming very, very soon. The one thing I like about BluSky is you can take profit every day, and they work really well. They switch over to a live account eventually. Now Apex will switch you over to a live account, but I don't know for sure how many accounts they can switch over to live, because it is live accounts. There's only so many you can get, and I don't know if you can get all 20. I've heard rumors that they limit it to how many they put you live. I don't know. Then you have Take Profit Trader. What I just recently found out about them that I don't like is if you make, say, $10,000, if you draw that out in the first 60 days, you only get $5,000. They keep the other $5,000. So you don't get 80% until after 60 days. So in other words, they're hoping that you blow your account before the 60 days so they don't have to pay out any money. That's what it amounts to, because they're going to make you wait because you don't want to give up that money. So in my opinion, I think that between BluSky and Apex, if you're just going to do a couple accounts, BluSky is probably your better bet, because their trailing drawdown is based on end of day, where Apex is as you trade. So there's a difference right there. But if you're going to be taking profit on your take profits, it won't matter about that trailing drawdown, because if you're taking profit on the highest amount of your trade, then you should be fine. So the trailing drawdown is definitely hard to trade by, especially if you're used, like me, I'm used to trading a live account. So if I'm in pretty heavy 10 contracts and it pulls back on me and I lose $3,000, well, on Apex 50,000 account, you would blow your account. With a live account, you just get it back on the next trade, which is easier. So it's harder for me to trade a funded account than it is a live account, because a live account, you'll have one rule: enough money. If you've got enough money in your account, then you can trade it. Where a funded account, you've got all those rules with the consistency rules, and you've got the trailing drawdowns and all that. So it does make it harder to trade, but it also teaches you some bad habits a lot of people will have. So either one of those will work. The BluSky, this coupon was for Friday. You might try it. You might get a 60% off. It may still work. I don't know. But with Apex, the SPY money code, so if you just double click this, right click it, copy, click this up here, and then when you go to checkout, put SPY money in there. They give me a little commission on affiliate, and I appreciate that. It helps me do the videos and so forth, and also the training on how to use it. So if you do that, I would deeply appreciate it. I get a little bit on each one of these that you use, and it really just helps us out. So I appreciate it if you do it. But either of these three work pretty good. I'm just kind of favoring the Apex now, mainly because of using Quantower. It just works. So we also offer we're an affiliate with a BPS company. If your computer doesn't work that great, this BPS will allow you to trade from your phone, from your tablets, from other computers, anywhere you are. As long as you have internet, you can trade using this. It looks just like a regular computer on your phone, and all your bots and everything are there, so you can do whatever you want to do with it. But just go back to the Ninja Suite, click on this, and get started with it. I'm definitely sure that you're going to be happy with it. If you follow instructions and you don't expect to turn a bot on and just walk away, then I think you'll be fine. With LenderBot is the closest that I've got that will be a set it and leave it bot. But the one thing about it is you can't do that because glitches that happen in the internet, your computers and stuff like that, because things happen and you need to be there in case it does happen. But to turn it on, let it run, get the profits and everything, it does a really good job. And to give you an idea of what it is going to look like is something like this. What we're going to be looking for is $100 a trade. And out of this right here, which was last Friday, I think it was, last Friday, from 8 in the morning up until, say, 10 o'clock, out of this, I don't think there was one losing trade. Not one losing trade. So you've got 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20 trades that would have won at $100 is $2,000 for one contract. Now, if you'd turned it on and left it on, that's what it would have been from this time to that time. Now, just to show you, it still made money all through here. There's money, like right there's one, here's another, there's two. That's a loser, so that'd be 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. One loser here would be 8. 7, be 8, 9, 10. There's 10 more winners right there. So that would be 30 winners. So if you just let it run. But here's the thing. Here's what we always tell everybody, and I try to stick to this rule. If you stick to this rule, you'll usually do fine. If you are trading one contract on NQ, that's a $1,000 margin. So what we're going to look for is to make 50% of that, which would be $500. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You would have turned it on at 8 o'clock and been done by 9 o'clock, and you wouldn't have even done any of this. You wouldn't have had any more losers. You wouldn't have had any more winners. Hit your $500 and quit. Now, does Lender make a lot more money than 50%? It does. It has every single day that I pulled it up, run them from 8 o'clock in the morning on. Now, the reason I pick 8 is because most people in our group are trading by 8 in the morning. Now, will it make money at the other times? It most certainly will. So if we went back to the open, which would be right here, there will be 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You would have been done by 12:30 at night. So you'd had 5 by then. Now, that's not to say that you don't just let it keep on going and take more profit than what we try to go for. But we're only trying to get 5 points, which is the $100. And the reason we did that is because we're not looking to get the full moves on everything. We're just trying to get a little piece of every single entry that there is. And if we can do that, then we can make money. So it does actually work. And if you go back, if we just pick another 8 o'clock in the morning, well, right here's one we already figured. One, right there's a loser. And that's the only loser. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So minus the 1 would be $800 right there from 8 in the morning until 9:34. Now that's not saying that there's losers in here, because there's a lot of winners in here. Just there's another winner there. There's another winner here. There's another winner here. This will be a loser. There's a winner. And there's a winner. Here's a winner. Right there's another winner. So the winners are in there. But this bot is going to be available either Monday or Tuesday. Once I get it back, I have to test it. I'm going to get it released real quick. But this indicator is actually in your Ninja Suite list right now. So you can manually trade this right now. And there's a way to tell when the signals are getting ready to happen, so you're prepared for it. And once you get that signal, just manually enter it. Or you can run it on CoasterBot. You can run this on CoasterBot, and when you see this signal, you can manually enter it. So you're running CoasterBot plus that. And really, when you run Coaster with the lender, it actually works best when you have 2 entries. It actually works really well. But that's what we're doing right now. Again, you would go to spymoneyllc.com, click on the Ninja Suite right here, go through this, copy, paste it into a contact to me, and then you can use your coupon to get started today and save $200 on that first month. $200 is a lot of money, and that will help you save a little bit of money in the beginning and not be so much on you getting started. So if you have any questions, let me know. Let's get this started. Let's knock off the year end a lot better and start off January even better, and get your goals surpassed, not just met, but get your goals surpassed. You guys have a great day, and I will see you in the chat.